Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's nice movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So just try to keep this as clean as possible and, not have lines all over the place. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, you should remember me talking about 0.0105 acting as resistance, and going into the day with that being broken, you would want to see it act as support, and talk about going from theory to reality right there. So great example of just how that rule plays out. Was a level of resistance, you'd want to see it act as support. And that is exactly what happened here. So ideally speaking, now going forward, if the price can stay above that green line, that would be the best case. Now, if the price cannot hold above it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined, because taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture perspective, that's where the purple line comes into play, that 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very basic yet highly effective way of gauging the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's in full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying up above 0.0105 would be great, but from the big picture, as long as the price stays above the purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? Key level now going into tomorrow is right up here at give or take about 0.0155. That's very clearly where the congestion is. So there's some sellers sitting up around there. So if this is ever going to get more continuation, the bulls will have to fight through 0.0155. But all in all, past couple of days have been very solid. And as long as the price keeps on building those higher lows, the chart will continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.